How to check product price history on Amazon. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on any browser of your choice. Now head over to the search bar and type camel 3 times. Now we're going to be tapping on the first option, which is their official website. Now the next thing to do is to scroll down and tap on browse extensions. Now please scroll down again and click on available in Chrome web store. Now you want to click on add to Chrome. Is at the left hand side of your screen. Now we're going to be tapping on add extension, and after downloading this extension I will just tap on it and then I'll create an account for free. I'll go ahead and sign up using Google. I find out very easy. Select the Google account that I want this registered to, and then I'll click on continue. And guys, my free account on Camel is ready. Now I'm going to head over to Amazon, and here is the product that I would like to know the price history on Amazon. Now just simply go to the top of your screen and click on the extension icon, and then head over to the extension that we just added to Chrome, the Camel, and tap on it. And now guys, on your screen is the product price history on Amazon. Now you would notice that there's price range and there's also the month at which it was that particular price on Amazon. And guys, this is how easy it is to check product price history on Amazon. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.